What is up, guys? I'm gonna be trying something new today, and it might be a little bit different. Actually, it's very different from the typical things I film on this channel, which is skating related pretty much. I'm pretty sure that's what all you guys really know me about. I have a VW Volkswagen 2012 GTI Mark 6. I'm in my garage right now, and what we are planning to do today is installing a new Catback for the exhaust. How exciting. I've owned the car for about 6 to 8 months now. I will make a separate video detailing you guys about what I have done to the car and blah blah blah. I just want to try something different today with this channel. Right now I am running a stock exhaust setup and a resonator delete. That's like a pretty popular mod that people do with these GTIs. So the car came with these kinds of tips. I personally think they look amazing on every other car. I just think they look better on exotic cars rather than these economy cars. When I got this car, it actually came with these, and I'm really not a big fan of it. So we're gonna be getting rid of these tips, and it's not like the ones where you can remove because they welded this shit on. Just a solid Y pipe. This is where the muffler would have been, but it's a muffler delete kit, so get rid of the muffler. Goes to the small resonator right there. These are the two tips, and that's pretty much all we gotta install, and these clamps as well. Old stock exhaust out. This is where the cut was made for the resonator delete. This right here is the small baby resonator. This pretty much is just a straight pipe. Meanwhile, this is covered by the muffler, so it gets replaced by just a straight pipe. It's pretty much just a straight pipe, pretty much. This is how it sounds like now with the car warmed up. Definitely a lot louder off the jump. I honestly like the sound of it so far. I'm kind of speaking too soon because I actually haven't even driven the car yet properly, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and give you guys my opinion. All right, I'm gonna be switching to DSG. I'm gonna be in first gear. See how this thing sounds. Has a very deep grumble when driving just normally. So this is 6th gear right now, around 1000 RPMs. Still very quiet. In conclusion, from my first thoughts after the first, little couple pulls, exhaust is definitely a lot louder, has more of a deep and raspier grumble compared to just a resonator delete. I've already lived with the resonator delete and I kind of wanted something louder, so I say if you want to do that, go ahead and get a resonator delete first to figure out what you want and then get your Catback. But if you already, really want your car louder and you could care less about having a muffler or not, definitely look into this Catback if you're on a budget. But obviously if you have more of an open budget, definitely look at more of the higher end kind of exhausts. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a week or so, give you guys my full review about this exhaust. So far I'm loving it. Let's just see how it holds up through time and once it wears in actually. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.